Hello tubers, Mezcal here. So here we are looking at Australia, and it's 28th September 2023, and the news at the moment is reporting that Australians should be set for a terrible year of bushfires and extreme heat. But and just declared El Nino, saying that everything's stopped. And but what's this? Look at this cloud density coming across the face of Australia. So the flow is still there clearly. This is curious. Tasmania, 3 o'clock this morning, had some plumes like you see there. That's bushfires, and they appeared at 3:30 in the morning, and I thought that's a bit weird. So I looked it up, and sure enough, it's bushfires, and they're saying they're doing back burnings, but it didn't show that on the map that exactly that area was being lit for a back burn. And do they back burn at 3:30 in the morning? I doubt it. So I've just had a look now in the afternoon, 5 o'clock in the arvo, and look at the way those weird standing waves or standing clouds are stopping the clouds that are incoming. And look, you can see a trail just appeared there across the middle of the screen, and that I looked that up on the flight radar. That was a jet on its way to South Africa. And if we look closely in here, you'll see a few other trails. Or is that the same one? No, looks like there's another one in there. But here's the kicker. Look in the middle. Look here. That line appears over the ocean. There. So they're flying a plane and creating those clouds. And it's just really curious because it looks like it wants to rain right now, and all we're getting is disaster dry predictions on the TV, and lots of weird planes flying around like Learjets with pods on the bottom of them. If you Google that name, you'll find out what that is. And spurious things on the radar network bursting like that in one frame. There's more Learjet activity, 5 of them off the coast. One of them has the name Raytheon on it, which I believe was responsible for building the weather machine that was set up for testing in South Australia. Set up in South Australia and Queensland and tested there, and then sold to Saudi Arabia, it looks like. Here's your trials. These here, in the middle of the screen there, Bundaberg and Mount Lofty Ranges. And you see the later ones, the later tests dating Oman, where it got taken to the Saudis. And Raytheon has been very often selected as the go-to for building any kind of installation that is like a communications antennas or things of that nature, so over the horizon radar, that sort of thing. Raytheon has been the guys that have like built the equipment. So yeah, that thing you saw on Mount Lofty Ranges and on Bundaberg, most likely built by Raytheon, and they're the guys flying with these Learjets, and that's why I think they're involved in modification of the weather. Thanks for watching.